There we go. Hello. Hello. How are you guys? Let's see here. Let me just get all of this technology talking to everybody. 1 second. Hi, Trina. Okay, give me just a second. I am still in my classroom today. Hey, guys. We are from IBA in Lyman, South Carolina. Yay! Hi, Sunny. How are you? Okay, I think I have it all hooked up here and all talking to each other. All right, good deal. Let me see if I can. There we go. Hi, Pamela. Keith's not here today. I am still out of town for my class that I'm in. Look at these. We did these today. Aren't they pretty? Ooh. Isn't that gorgeous? Hi, Zane. How are you? Hey, Linda. You're glad I'm here? Well, thank you, Sarah. So yeah, this is what we did today. It's so beautiful, so pretty. Anyway, this is what we're going to make tonight. Look at these, how pretty. This is, we have a new product tonight, so I want to show you that really quickly, and then I'll get in to it and show you how to make these, because these are easy. They're a lot harder than they look. These are the modern bird's nest nail art. Okay, so our new product tonight is this. And for some reason, it's probably because I'm all mobile tonight. I'm not in front of my computer. I can't pin the link for these, you guys, but these were added to the store just recently. Let me open these so you can see. This is white cameo gel. Look at that, how pretty. She won't come out. And we have it in black also. It's the duo. You get both of them. It's not like whipped cream gel now. This is a thicker consistency. I'll show you. Let me get in frame so you can see. See the consistency on that? Isn't that neat? It's kind of like marshmallow cream, like marshmallow fluff. Very pigmented. It cures with a tack-free surface on it. So let's get started. I have, let me slide these out of the way. So I have these ready to go. This is y'all's favorite color. This is Sapphire Desire, which we are sold out of, and we're not planning on bringing this one back. This one is retired, I know. So I have a blue, any blue you can start with. And then I have 3 of the Minx Cat Eye. I have Perfect Purple, Emerald Isle, is that it? Yeah, Emerald Island, and then I have Lion in the Sun right here. So basically a gold, a green, and a purple. Anything in that combination will work. Okay, and we need some blooming gel. So let's put that on first, just over top of this blue. We're going to do it over all of them. Hey, Carolyn, you can't hear? Can anybody else not hear? Let me find out first. Let's find out first. You can, Marcy? It's okay. It's good on the app. What about on the Facebook broadcast? Hi, Donna. Let us know if you can hear. You can hear? Okay. Good deal. Blooming gel. Let's just do one at a time. Little bit of that. Let me zoom in a bit too. All right, so we're going to take this green, the purple, and the gold, and just random. You just put it wherever you like it, and maybe depends on the size of the nail. A shorter nail won't need as much, right? A little green. Oops. I kind of like to put it in between. Here, 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 and a little gold. That was easy. That's the easy part. And if you want, you can even go back in between. You can do this kind of thing right here, here. Just drop in tiny little dots. And then once it's bloomed out to where you like it, then you can cure it. So let's pop that in the lamp. Let's do another easy one. Blooming gel. And maybe something like this. A little gold. A little green. And now a little purple. Back to the gold. Isn't that pretty? Why are two of my nails really long? Because I'm in class and this is what we made today. Okay, let's cure that one. I'm a student. Last one. I'm going to do a little, let's do a rosy type pattern on here. I know a lot of you guys have these colors, is why I wanted to use these. So here is a little middle and another here. Just some little half moons. And I'm just rotating the colors. Like that. Simple. Keep the background not too busy. Let's cure that. Okay, because on top of that, all of this has to go on right here. Thank you, Carrie. When that comes out, we're going to top coat these just to seal up everything. But let me wipe off my brush real fast. Hey, from Massachusetts. Hi, Doreen. Hey, Janice. Yes, I am, Janice. Whoopsie, I had two that stuck together. Rats. Hold on, let me see if I can salvage that. If not, we got twins. I think I can salvage it. Yeah, we're good, we're good. All right. Those three, let's put them a little closer together so you can have a view of all of them. All right, I'm going to seal mine up with a shiny top coat, and then I'm going to buff it once it comes out to get it prepped for my bird's nest pattern I'm going to do. Only because I don't have my matte top coat with me that the chrome doesn't stick to. So we're going to do it this way. It has to be a certain kind of matte. No, not that one. It's a different one, love. So we will do it this way. We'll do it old school. How's that? We used to have to do it this way. Turn on around. Okay, give that a cure. Now, when you use the Cameo gels, you don't want to flash cure these, because if you flash cure them, they won't cure all the way through. They're very pigmented. So if you're going to do any type of cure on these, it needs to be a full cure. All right. And we're going to let this little string go to work for us. Look, when we take this out of the jar, watch what happens. This is not like elastic gel. What's the name of it? Spider gel. Yeah. It's not elasticy. It just has that little bit of a stretch to it when you first remove it from the jar. See there? And I think it's going to be easier for you guys to see the white one online, but these come in a duo. This is called Cameo Gel. I know this is backwards for you. Sorry about that. I still haven't figured out what the issue is with our app recording in like the mirror position. Cameo Gel. Get a black and a white for, I think it's like $39. And I have a sample here. Hold on. These I made with Cameo Gel. Just kind of give you an idea of what it does. It's a relief gel, like a 3D gel, but it puffs up higher than most 3D gels. You just got your Zane. Thank you. Sorry, I'm not able to post that link for you guys. So yeah. All right. Let me make sure I turn my lamp on. I think I did. Yes. All right, I'm going to slide these over. And let's old school it a second. Let's give it a buff. And what this will do will be prevent the chrome from sticking to the background that I'm going to use. Let's see, maybe on this side. It'll kind of make it go matte at the same time. Tracy? Sorry, it's hard to stay in frame when you're buffing a nail. And let me buff one more. I'm only going to do maybe I'll do 1 or 2 of these. You can see I'm not fully taking the shine off. I'm just giving it a light little buff here. Okay. Thank you, Sandra. And I think that little buffer has seen better days. Let me switch buffers because I'm having to work her too hard. There we go. Much better. We'll do a final top coat at the end anyway, and it'll kind of bring out all of our colors and our textures and our patterns. Cameo gel. It's called Cameo gel. Some of you have used it. If you're in the Beetle box, you got a blue one a few months ago. Nice, like robin egg blue. And we waited forever for the black and white one to get here. So I know she looks a little scruffy, but we'll bring her back to life in just a second. Let's do this one. How many is this your first time watching? If this is your first time, raise your hand. You don't have any of those yet, Tracy? No, they're brand new today, love. Look, it's tricky when you don't want to file your own nail. Okay, that works. We have enough of the shine taken off of there. And give that a nice little dust. Now, I'm going to grab a 00 brush. Just a second here. She looks like this. About right there. And here's where you need to let the little string do the work for you. This is the Cameo gel. And here's the string we're talking about. Let me turn it sideways to give you a better look. And there's a bajillion ways you can use this, but tonight we want to use this little string. So here we go. And I'm going to put them very close together in frame here. And I'm just going to wiggle that little string like that. And again, wiggle the string. And wiggle the string. Let's put some down at the bottom. Wiggle the string. And when the string disappears, just go back and pick up a little bit more. Yep. And grab another string. Now you put on as much as you like, but I like a lot. Shocking, right? I'm going to cure that much and then I'll bring it back out of the lamp. Let's put a little bit here. And this one, let's just kind of follow the path of those little lines that we laid in there. And again, pick up the string. This is like marshmallow cream if you're old enough when you were in school and they gave you the little tub of, what was that called? It was in the white jar, paste, right? Kind of has the consistency of that. And it is not spider gel, no. So I'm just crisscrossing, just letting this kind of go wherever it wants to. And now we're going to cure that much. If you have some on the side, like this one here, typically I just cure it and I'll file that off there. But you can grab it with a cleanup brush too if you want. Now back to this little lady. Did I cure that? Yes, I did. And a few more strings. Let me get in frame. And you just kind of keep building that up until it becomes the layer that you want it to be. Look how pretty that's going to be. Again, I like a lot of it. And you do have to stop and cure this in between because those lines eventually, as they lay over top of each other, they kind of blend in together. And to get that separation and that nesty look, twiggy look, you want to do some cures along the way. Oh, that one's about ready. Just about. I think we'll stop right there. And let's grab this one. These are quick and easy, you guys. This is not something you have to spend a lot of time on. You make this work with whatever color and whatever design you're going to do. And because these cure to a tack-free surface, they'll hold all of your chrome powders. And they do not need a top coat on them. Now, if you want to seal up your chrome powder, you'll want to put a little bit on that. But if you're using it like for this one, hold on, this one, this doesn't need a top coat. It's what I used here. And I think that one's about ready. Let's go in the lamp. Okay. Wipe off your brush. And we'll put this little baby away. We're done with that. What I like to do too, do you see this kind of the strings around the outside of that jar? I'm going to put on some alcohol, just on a little wipey. Whoops, let me open that. Just like that. And just give it a quick wipe before I put the top on it. This is a 5-gram jar, pot, whatever you want to call it. There's the black one. Look at that, how pretty. Aw, you're welcome, Michelle. It's definitely, I'm a little tired, definitely. But I wouldn't miss you guys. Hold on, let me get a little sponge. I brought out some gold chrome like that. I know a lot of y'all have this one. I can't remember the name of it. If you've got it and you remember the name, let us know. It's kind of like a champagne-y gold. And then I have my little sponge dauber. And I just put that on the end of my sponge. I'm just waiting for these to come out of the lamp. I might not need much more than that, but we'll see. Hey, Omira. Hey, Arlene. I just saw you guys. Arlene and Omira are in the class with me. Erin's in the class. I don't know if she's watching. Okay, here we go. And just put your chrome just like that. See what happened? We'll clean that up in just a bit with a dusting brush. I just want you to see what that's doing. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. So now have a duster nearby, a little makeup brush, something that you can give that a quick little dust down with. Just like that. I think I have enough chrome on my sponge here to hold it, right? Yep. This is very organic, which means it's not going to happen the same every time. So if you're intimidated about doing nail art and having two look alike, you can do this and don't have to worry about it being exactly the same. You know, look at that. These are so unique, right? Okay, let's close up our chrome because I will spill it for sure. And I'm going to pull just a few little beads, just stones, beads, whatever it is that you have that you might want to tuck in. I got a little Tupperware kind of thing here that I just stuck a few things in to bring with me. You see these itty bitties down in here? That's probably what I'm going to go for, most likely. Get my little crystal picker. I'm just going to set these over to the side, but so you kind of know what I'm using there. And I am going to take my shiny top coat now, and I'll go back in between. Remember where we buffed that smooth? Or buffed it matte, I guess. We're going to go back in between that and lay the top coat down. And then I take my little itty bitty stones, wherever you have a joint or like a little elbow or a little spot where you can work in something. There, we're going to go here. I'm going to slide that one down in here. So easy. Put them on in some tiny little clusters. Right there. And here's one. Let's see what else we've got. One there. We got all kinds of little pieces of stuff down in here. Some little, some big. And maybe one right there. Just tuck it in. And then if you love caviar beads, if you have caviar beads, let me show you. The ones I use are here. Or the ones I'm going to use on this one. Look like this. They're the little metal, like the little metal balls. We have several kinds of these in our shop. They're pretty heavy too. So now I'm going to take my nail and just work in a few of these kind of around. Let me see if my little wax picker will pick these up. I think it will. Maybe. There we go. One there. One there. Maybe down here. Oopsie. Isn't that pretty? And maybe tuck in one here. Tiny bit. I'm going to put in a tiny touch of top gel right here because I want to put one of these little beads right down in that little hole. And that's all she gets. I'm going to pop that in the lamp. And now let's go with this one. Here. And now grab your stones. Try to keep your stones in the same color family as what you've used throughout your nail. One there. One there. Oh, that's a pink one. I'll skip her. I think I'm only going to put these on the top. I was going to put a few on the bottom, but I kind of like it there. And a few beads. Just squeeze it in, sandwich it in. These don't want to come off my wax tool. They're just going to hang out and have a party on the wax tool. And slide over. One more. Oh, maybe one more. Maybe one right down in here. And let me get that one in the lamp. Here's the first one. Just so you can have a look. It's a 360. Here's from the side. Like that. Now here's the second set that I have a matte top coat on. These ones are matte. These ones are shiny. And here is a 360 of this one. Whoops. It's very unique. It's an artwork like you won't see a lot of. Let me take my nippers and I'm just going to grab these little strings of product right here. You could file that off if you want to. But especially if you're doing it on a press-on nail. If you're doing it on a human, just take a little cleanup brush and clean that off before you cure it. nail tips are different like this than human nails. So yeah, that's it. Let's take these off. And that's how you do a modern bird's nest nail. That's with Cameo Gel. The Cameo Gel, you get both the black and the white, and it's $39. So thank y'all for being here tonight. I will be back in my home office by Wednesday. We've got a lot of new product that's launching in the next couple of weeks. So we can't wait to show you. I can't wait to see what's come in while I've been gone because I haven't got a sneak peek of it yet. So I'll see you Wednesday at 7. Talk to you soon. Bye.